Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best action cameras. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. Vloggers who battle the elements. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is GoPro's latest and greatest action camera, and though it isn't a giant upgrade over the Hero 11 Black, it's our top choice. Like the Hero 11 Black, it has a maximum 5.3K resolution in an 8:7 aspect ratio, but the Hero 12 can also hold this aspect ratio whether you're using time-lapse mode, night-lapse mode or time warp, making it easier to edit together footage with a uniform aspect ratio. The Hero 12 has also been upgraded with HDR support, additional power efficiencies which allow for 5.3K video recording for up to 70 minutes on a single charge. Improved stabilization should make footage shot on the Hero 12 that much smoother, and if you want to listen into the action, you can connect your AirPods or other wireless Bluetooth headphones directly to your GoPro Hero 12 Black. The overall picture quality is excellent, and the waterproofing is great for underwater filming. The GoPro brand is well lauded for a reason, and the Hero 12 Black is the latest and greatest model. Not a substantial upgrade for GoPro Hero 11 Black owners. High dynamic range video plus photo. Hero 12 Black takes its best-in-class image quality to the next level with HDR for both videos, 5.3K and 4K, and photos. Great in environments with both shadows and bright light, HDR captures the subtle details of the scene that might typically blend into the darkness of shadows or disappear in the bright spots of your shot. The result is dynamic footage with true-to-life color and precision. Unbelievable image quality, with 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, Hero 12 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality with high dynamic range, HDR, while also taking 27MP photos. You can also grab stunning photos up to 24.7MP of your favorite shots from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Hypersmooth continues to set the bar for insanely smooth footage and has the hardware to back it up, a 2021 Emmy for in-camera sensor and software stabilization. Hero 12 Black makes it even better by maximizing Hypersmooth Auto Boost performance with more stabilization while still delivering less image cropping. Bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park or get awesome pet POV shots, even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth. Rugged plus waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters, completely waterproof and as tough as ever, Hero 12 Black is ready to capture the fun on any adventure. Its legendary durability can take a beating and keep going, whether you're ripping through mud, snow or water, down to 33 feet/10m. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. Number 2. Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. The Insta360 One RS Twin Edition is more expensive than other action cameras, but it's really two cameras in one since it comes with two different lenses. It has a unique, snap-together modular design made of three pieces, a battery base, an interchangeable lens and the touchscreen display for framing your shots. The Twin Edition comes with both the 4K boost lens, without lens cover, found in the $300 Insta360 One RS, and a 5.7K 360-degree lens. With the 4K boost lens, the camera captures still images at up to 48 megapixels. You can position the touchscreen display to face forward or backward, depending on what and how you're shooting. The camera comes with a mounting bracket to easily attach it to a selection of optional accessories, including the Insta360 selfie stick, which the camera can automatically remove from your images and video footage. Another convenience, the camera can wirelessly transfer content to a mobile device or computer to edit and share. The rechargeable battery lasts between 60 and 80 minutes, depending on the shooting mode. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard. Quickly changing mounting position while recording. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is an excellent action camera with some impressive features, but its image quality really stands out as a game changer for this brand. Priced and spec'd to compete with the best action cameras available today, it brings the fight to even long-standing lines like GoPro with its mix of performance and convenience. Along with its great quality video, it has a unique magnetic mounting system which makes it super easy to get it set up and working, whether you're filming from a tripod or just a conveniently placed metal surface, like your bike's handlebars or your helmet. Swap between locations in a flash with this quick and easy detach system, making the Osmo Action 4 incredibly versatile. The wide-angle lens gives it a great field of view, really capturing the action, and it can record up to 4K 120 FPS footage. It also has one of the most impressive waterproofing depths we've seen in any action camera. The standard camera can last up to 60 feet underwater, but if you put it in the waterproof case it can go all the way down to 196 feet, more than enough for all but the deepest of divers. The battery lasts an impressive 2.5 hours, but better yet, you can recharge it to 80% in just 18 minutes, getting you back in the action quicker than ever before. Lower maximum resolution than other brands. Lower still image resolution. Impeccable image quality, day or night experience stunning image clarity and unparalleled low-light performance with the 4K action camera's large 1/1.3-inch sensor, capturing every adventure in breathtaking detail from dawn to dusk. Vivid, true-to-life colors elevate your footage using 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance to capture dazzling effects in golden sunrises and vibrant sunsets. Impress your audience with the action camera's vivid brilliance. Long-lasting power, even in extreme cold, tackle low temperatures of -20 degrees Celsius -4 degrees Fahrenheit and record up to 150 minutes non-stop with this reliable action camera, ensuring every thrilling moment is captured in the harshest conditions. Impressive 4K/120 FPS and 155 degrees ultra-wide FOV experience high-resolution, ultra-wide FOV footage that immerses you in the action. From riding epic waves to flaunting your skate skills, Action 4 delivers captivating slow-motion shots. Switch perspectives just in seconds, effortlessly switch your camera's position with our magnetic quick-release feature, enabling seamless transitions between horizontal and vertical shots and unlocking unprecedented creative freedom. Say goodbye to shaky footage. 3 stabilization modes provide steady footage, whether conquering rugged terrains or executing daring stunts. Record every moment with unmatched stability and crystal-clear clarity. Includes DJI Osmo Action 4, 1 battery, 1 quick-release adapter mount, and more. This combo is a great introductory choice for first-time action camera users looking to get 4K footage. Number 4. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 packs impressive functionality for a compact camera. At the top of its features list is the camera's ability to shoot stunning, immersive and extremely smooth 360-degree video at up to 5.7K resolution. Besides image stabilization, the camera has a built-in 6-axis gyroscope. The X3 also shoots traditional 4K video with a wide field of view, along with detailed and vibrant still images at an impressive 72 megapixels. The X3's vertical design makes it easy to hold and operate with one hand. Alternatively, you can use the optional Insta360 selfie stick. When you do, the camera automatically edits out the selfie stick from your content, or you can mount the camera to your body or equipment. The X3 has the usual shooting modes you'd expect in an action camera, among them active HDR, time-lapse, time-shift, and loop recording. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 81 minutes of continuous shooting. Number 5. DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. The DJI Pocket 2 camera is not rugged like the typical action camera, but its small size and lightweight make it perfect for vlogging and capturing life as it happens. It has a vertical design, with a tiny touchscreen display in the center and a small camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal at the top. This physical gimbal counteracts camera motion to produce consistently smooth video. Its design is conducive to hold in one hand, or you can use a mount for hands-free use. The Pocket 2 captures 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, with 4-channel audio recorded from its 4 microphones. Plus, it captures stills at up to 64 megapixels. The small display is just barely enough to adjust camera settings and frame your recordings. You can tilt and pan the camera with a useful joystick add-on that's part of the Creator Combo, which also comes with accessories such as a wireless microphone transmitter and microphone windscreen. The 20mm wide-angle lens provides a 93-degree field of view, with digital zoom from 2x for 4K video or up to 4x for 1080p. The camera's specialty shooting modes include panorama, glamour effects, motion lapse, and hyperlapse for additional creative angles, and it flips around on the gimbal for first-person vlogging. Weighing just 4.1 ounces, this versatile camera is light enough to keep in a pocket and always have on hand, ready to shoot. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 140 minutes of continuous shooting. It can't withstand the elements, but it's an ideal fast draw option for other situations.